During part 1 of this summative assessment, you prepped 2 triangular and 2 rectangular slab walls for your napkin holder. You are now ready for part 2 of the same assessment. Part 2 will focus on your ability to construct a functional form with leather-hard slabs using the score and slurry technique. The assessment will also focus on your ability to create strong, hidden seams using reinforcing, stitching, and compressing techniques. See the rubric for specific details about leveled scoring. The materials you will need for this assessment are slip, a sponge with some water, a brush, knife, pencil, ruler, some plastic clay, and your rib. You will need your 2 rectangular walls and 1 of your triangular walls. Keep the second triangular wall wrapped in plastic until it's needed. Step 1. Define the surface to be scored. Line up the edges of both walls and draw a line to establish the boundary for your score marks. The distance between the edge of the slab to the line relates to the thickness of the wall that will be attached. Remember that both slabs cannot exist in the same area. The overlap tells you one slab is too long and must be trimmed. Line up one of the slabs along the overlapping line. Then remove the excess clay on the other end using your ruler lined up with the point of the triangle. Step 2. Score the defined surfaces. Score all the surfaces that will be attached to one another. Step 3. Slip and construct the walls. Apply slip over the scored areas as you construct. Remember that slip is liquid clay, also known as potter's glue. It helps to hold your construction together. Step 4. Reinforce and compress the interior seams. Use a very thin plastic coil to reinforce the interior seams. Interior means inside. Repeat steps 3 and 4. Slip, attach, reinforce, and compress the final triangular wall. Step 5. Stitch and compress the exterior seams. Exterior means outside. Remember, stitching allows you to mix the clay from both slabs. Compressing allows you to push the clay particles tighter together to make a stronger attachment. Step 6. Trim away the excess clay. Use a ruler or a straight edge to guide your eye and knife as you subtract clay that might extend above the level of the rim. Take your time. Step 7. Clean and attend to the large and small details. Step 8. Document your work. You will take 2 photos using the same composition and angle as the teacher's examples. Include your name, block, and date on a piece of paper inside the photo. Step 9. Wrap and store your work. Wrap and store your work in an airtight bag until you are ready to begin Part 3 of the summative assessment. Remember, answer your reflection questions and get to claying.